Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Penpie token. Ticker symbol is PNP. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the PNP token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, integrated with Pendle Finance, Penpie focuses on locking Pendle tokens to obtain governance rights and enhanced yield benefits with Pendle Finance. Penpie revolutionizes the way users can maximize returns on their investments and monetize their governance power. So you can find this token on arbiscan.io. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. I believe it's cross-chain, maybe on the BNB chain as well. It said something like that on their document section. We'll have a look at that in a second. It says current price right now is $5.28 per token. Their Arbiscan says it's actually up 12.47% today. Fully diluted market cap, $49,198,566. Total supply is a little bit over 9.3 million PNP tokens. They have 5,544 holders already on the Arbitrum chain here. 18 decimal places. They're listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They have a full white paper, a Discord, Telegram, GitHub, Twitter, blog articles, and contact email are all on their Arbiscan as well. And this token just got listed today on a big central exchange called CoinEx Global. So if you're looking to get the Penpie token and you don't have a CoinEx Global account, I do have a CoinEx Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that CoinEx Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PNP, and then simply just buy the token. So it just got listed today, February 6th on CoinEx, so it is available on there now. That's a real easy way to get it. On their document section, by the way, their webpage is penpiexyz.io, but then you can find their docs at docs.penpiexyz.io. So it says BNB chain, how to buy PNP on BNB chain. So it says here you will find how to buy PNP on ThenaFi and provide PNP BNB liquidity on ThenaFi. So that's short for Thena Finance. But yeah, so there's a way to get it on the BNB chain, it says here as well. But let's go over what the project is about here. So Penpie is a next-generation DeFi platform designed to provide Pendle Finance users with yield and VE tokenomics boosting services. Integrated with Pendle Finance, Penpie focuses on locking Pendle tokens to obtain governance rights and enhanced yield benefits within Pendle Finance. Penpie revolutionizes the way users can maximize returns on their investments and monetize their governance power. Penpie offers users the opportunity to deposit their assets and earn maximized APR, while it allows Pendle Finance voters to cost effectively acquire voting power and earn passive income at the same time through the PNP token. Penpie gives Pendle holders a chance to earn high APR by converting their tokens into Pendle. By leveraging the power of Pendle Finance's VE tokenomics model, Penpie offers users the opportunity to earn more Pendle rewards with their Pendle tokens. Penpie has created Pendle, a Penpie version of the Pendle token, which allows users to earn a large share of Pendle rewards while enjoying increased flexibility through Penpie. This mechanism gives Pendle holders the chance to earn high APR by converting their tokens into Pendle at a 1-to-1 ratio. When users convert their Pendle tokens on Penpie, they receive Pendle, which enables them to earn maximized Pendle rewards. Meanwhile, Penpie locks all the converted Pendle as VE Pendle on Pendle Finance, resulting in an accumulation of VE Pendle for Penpie. This VE Pendle entitles Penpie to enhanced Pendle rewards and governance benefits on Pendle Finance. As a result, Penpie can offer users a sustainable, boosted passive income and cost-effective governance power. PNP is Penpie's governance and revenue sharing token. Users can lock PNP tokens on Penpie to receive vote-locked PNP at a ratio of 1-to-1. So that's what vote-locked PNP. So vote-locked PNP, also known as VLPNP, allows PNP holders to receive passive income and share governance benefits on the platform. The voting power that Penpie accumulates by holding VE Pendle is shared between VLPNP holders, allowing them to vote on Pendle Finance. Vote-locked PNP holders earn PNP staking rewards plus revenue share from the platform. So there's a whole governance section that you can go over. I guess they had a launch pad on they have a launch pad on Camelot, it says here. Tons of it. Camelot, by the way, is the decentralized exchange for Arbitrum tokens. So most likely you can get the Penpie token also off of Camelot as well. But yeah, just got that brand new CoinEx global listing starting today. So it is available on CoinEx Global now. You can check out their Twitter in the corner of the screen there at PenpieXYZ_IO. They have a full link tree on there as well that you can check out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.